out. Southside. Y'all seen the sign. Y'all know them signs and shit. He hit you. He showed you his gang sign. Y'all better start learning them signs. Hey, y'all, after this, my little taco gonna be ready, y'all. They really finna take, I ain't even stirred my corn yet, man. I need, where my phone camera holder? Somebody, please. Who the hell? I don't know nobody. Dang. I'm ready to get my food. But I know as soon as I leave, y'all gonna be, man, we wanted to see them four-wheelers, man. Shit, that's what I came for. If Funky Town holder, he gonna be like, hey, look out. Since I held the camera, I'm gonna need about $40. Yeah. Okay. Come on, man. My quesadilla getting cold. Man, y'all playing, man. I ain't get to tell him to put no cilantro. Oh, no, man. He red lighting. Man, I'm finna go, y'all. He messed it up for y'all. Finna get my quesadilla. He don't know how to stage up. I'm making my case. Excuse me. You need an intern who look good in a bikini. 30, what you say, 31? Oh, yeah, 31. Miss, I've been looking for you. Where you been? Let me get some cilantro. See? And some grilled onions. He got hulled out anyway. Yeah, thank you, miss. I'm trying to get it. Hold on. Add a little bit of this green sauce. Ooh, it look like they did it right this time, too. Hell yeah. Okay. Boy, ooh, that's it. Golly. Thank you, miss. Golly, how I'ma hold all this. Okay. Let me see. Hold on, man. Okay. Let me see. Excuse me, I'm finna get over. Let me try to head over here to the front. Man, should I just sit down? I think I'm finna just, it ain't gonna take, damn, all the seats full. Man, hold on, y'all. Oh, there goes some room right there. Let me tear this up real quick. Yo, let me tear this up. See if I can find my homeboy. Keep y'all. Yeah, I know y'all don't want to hear me eating and all that. Let me get y'all somebody, y'all. Hold on. Let me see something. Damn, where's Shane at? I don't even see Shane nowhere. Oh, here go my boy over here. DD, I need you to hold this for me.
Oh, I got you. Look out. Look out. Okay, I'm gonna hold it right here.
Yeah, that's about it.
I'm gonna hold it right here. Right here at the light. Hey, look out, racing in the building. You know, Don King speaking. You know, yeah, a lot of y'all don't know me, but you know, you will know. I'm Nino Brown. Hey, I am the homeboy of Tyrone. Boom, motherfucker. But hey, this Lookout Racing. Y'all go subscribe. Go, you know. We do have a big race going on this weekend. You know, Limpy in the building. We got Funky Town in the building. Boom! Got Funky Town in the building. Got some newcomers in the building. Watch these ATVs, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to the Lookout channel, man, on YouTube, man. It's a good YouTube channel, man. Lookout Racing, man. Shout out to Lookout.
No, that's Lookout, the one just took off.
Hey, Tyrone, somebody said. Hey, bitch. A lot of cash out here, y'all. Lookout had to step away for a minute, y'all, but I got his back, you know. I might not be the good cameraman, but, you know, I keep it cordial. Tyrone said it is not a setup, so he stopped saying that. It is not a setup.
Ain't no setup. He just, this side just bust his ass. Boom! Hit him in his ass. That wasn't no setup. He went around.
Whoever you bet on, if it ain't,
He had over there.
hey,
He got ran
whoever you bet on, if it ain't a setup, you win.
You goddamn right. I can't lose unless it's a setup. Remember that.
I gotta make that a shirt. It's a setup.
You lying.
We gotta make that a shirt. It's a setup. Hot Tip in the building. Got Hot Tip in the building. Hey, that goddamn Benz getting up out of there, boy.